On this CTS Auto Service Repair. Today I'm working on a 2010. This video is applicable to 210, 212, 213, 214 GLK model. So what's wrong with my car? What's wrong with this vehicle? Right now I'm outside the workshop to fix this vehicle. The customer of mine called me and the car was running smoothly. He just parked to get something. He came back to start the vehicle. It was cranking but won't start. So it was cranking but won't start. He was surprised that he called me and told me that this is the condition. I told him I'm coming. Then I came. So I noticed it too, which it you can see I'm turning on my ignition. It's on, but if I crank here, it won't start. So after what was going on, so the basic thing we normally do on this kind of modern vehicle, we normally go to this fuse box. There's this relay, the green relay that normally have an issue, which is the starter relay. So sometimes it have a casualty, it might cause it. So which I have checked. I will show you guys the relay, which I have checked. It was not the fault of it. So the fault of it, the second step for you to check, which is the first one was that relay you check. The second one is the fuel pump, the fuel line, whether the fuel is coming. And the third, you have to check the spark of the vehicle. So I didn't even went to the spark. I just quickly get the information, which is the fuel line is not coming. And with the fuel line, it has to do with maybe the fuel pump or the fuel relay, maybe it's bad, which I checked, all are still good. The issue is the module at the back, close to the fuel pump at the back seat. I'll show you guys the process and I'll show you that the fuel is not coming out and I'll show you guys the way. Okay, this is the recover. Just pull it out from this pin. And yeah, just pull it out, you just come out. Then this is the starter relay, this green. This is the starter relay. So I've checked this is working. So I went ahead to even check the fuel pump. If you can see, I pull out the pin, pressure pin cover. So I have to check the position instead of me losing it down to this axis or here. I have to use a minor tools to just check. You can use a pin or it's easy to check. You can see the fuel is not coming out. When pressing this, it's not coming out. It's not coming out at all. So I was thinking that it was a relay, which I have checked the relay, the, the fuel pump relay, which is on the floor. So you will be thinking that maybe it's the fuel pump itself. So you have to be doing this thing basic by basic to get the actual fault of the vehicle, which I did. So I went down to the module. I'll show you guys. So this is where the module is being located. So I went back to the module. This is the module. This is the module here. So I find out that the socket, this is the input that sends signal into this module, and this is the output that sends signal into the fuel pump. This wire you're seeing here, sorry, this, this, and this. These are being connected down to the fuel pump. These have to do with the communication of this module down to the fuel pump. So I found out that it got burnt. If you can see, this is rusting, got burnt. So I have to find a way to just clip it off to be sure that it's the module that is bad. I have to I clip it off. It was more than this. I have to do it. So I have to clip it off and insert this wire. The both 1, 2, 3, they are all rusty, burnt. So I have to scrape it out and reinstall it very well. So this is what I'm doing. Okay. I just reinstall it very well, which I did your own. I just plug this to just make a video for to pass out the information for you guys. So after I install this thing very well, so we're going to start the vehicle. Key pull out, ignition on. So the vehicle just got start. So this has to fix a car, Mercedes Benz 2010 down to 2014 GLK that won't can't but won't start. Okay, thanks for watching. This is CTS Auto Service Repair. God bless you. Thanks for subscribing. I was being away for a while. I was been away for a while, but with time I'll be back fully. I just want to just pass on this information. One or two is going on. Thanks for watching.